For travelers looking for a modern, budget-friendly hotel with an unbeatable beachfront location, Hotel El Puerto by Pierre Vacances is a great option in Fuengirola. Situated right on the promenade, this hotel puts you just steps away from the beach, restaurants, bars and shops, making it perfect for a lively and convenient stay on the Costa del Sol. The rooms are compact but modern, with stylish decor, air conditioning, and many offering stunning sea views from private balconies. While they're on the smaller side, they're well designed for comfort. One of the biggest highlights of the hotel is its rooftop pool and sky bar, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the Mediterranean. It's the perfect spot to relax with a cocktail while enjoying the sunset. The hotel has an on-site restaurant serving buffet-style meals, but with so many fantastic dining options nearby, many guests prefer to explore the local food scene. Service is friendly and efficient, and while the hotel may not offer extensive luxury amenities, its prime location, stylish rooms, and rooftop pool make it a great value for money. If you're looking for a modern beachfront hotel with incredible views and easy access to Fuengirola's attractions, Hotel El Puerto is a solid choice.